kitchen. I got my Chef Ricardo cooking show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen, giving you your favorite recipes and ideas and things that you love to make. Coconut root. If you never hear about coconut root, check them out on Instagram. Alright, coconut root are their website, coconut root. This is the spicy flavor which I'm gonna be using, and I'm gonna be using I'm gonna do a very simple little dish, spicy salmon served with some vegetable and roast sweet potato. For roasted sweet potato is easy. Just get yourself a potato, wrap it into some foil, and roast it in your oven for about 45 to an hour. And I'm gonna be boiling off some vegetable, and I'm gonna be using my coconut root right here to spice up my salmon. Alright, so stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Please watch this recipe. It's amazing, it's fantastic. 100%, you guys definitely will be loving this recipe. It's just gonna be a straightforward recipe. I love every one of you. Thank you for subscribing to the YouTube channel. Thank you for your time watching the video. It's just amazing, guys. And not only that, it's you, and it's you. It's you and you. Thank you so much. I love every one of you. Alright, stay tuned in, don't go anywhere, and watch this beautiful video which I'm gonna share with you. Coconut root recipe with my salmon. Beautiful, nice one, guys, in the kitchen with this spicy coconut root. That's what I'm going to make today. Spicy coconut root salmon. Alright, so stay tuned with Chef Ricardo, and this is what will be happening. So first of all, you know what I mean, as I said, let's check out the spicy coconut root right here, because this is the most important part of the whole thing of the show. Alright, now here it is. You know what I mean, make from natural coconut and all them things. They're nice and lovely. Nice. That is just lovely and amazing. The spicy coconut root right there. Beautiful one. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I have some garlic right here, because I love to cook with my garlic. I'll tell you something. See, it said diced coconut, sea salt, and vegetable. Alright, let me see. You got oil, vegetable, celery, onion. Alright, we see one more. Yes, you have garlic in it and all them things. So if you get this, let's check out them Instagram page or their website. You know what I mean, guys, if you need some more information. Alright, because I'm only just testing out it. I'm making you guys know exactly what I want. Because my name is Chef Ricardo, and I like to test new stuff and new product to see, but by tasting it alone, you can tell me that it is way up in the sky. Thank God for coconut root. It's really nice, I love it. So basically 2 cups of garlic, because you know Chef Ricardo love garlic. You know what I mean? We're just gonna put a little bit of garlic on the salmon. I'm using my garlic crusher. If you don't have one, you need to get one of Chef Ricardo garlic crusher. Alright. Yeah, right straight on the garlic. That's exactly what we're talking about. Now, as I say, you know, I love my garlic, alright? The whole thing of this beautiful salmon today, I'm gonna give you the recipe. So what you're gonna do, I have 1 red onion. Cut your red onion up into some slices like this. Alright, I got tomato, cut them really thick. 1 medium sized tomato. I'm gonna give you a secret, guys, which you can do this at home and everyone going to love it. Alright, everyone gonna love this one. Alright, remember me tell you that this is from Chef Ricardo, and once I said everyone gonna love it, everyone gonna love it. So what you wanna do, you wanna put the red onion them at the bottom of the salmon at the tray with a piece of a grease-proof paper. Alright, remember, put it at the bottom with a piece of a grease-proof paper. Alright, now the secret with my kind of cooking is this, guy, because Me personally doesn't use oil. Sorry, I use light spray oil. So I'm gonna spray my thing them like that, and then I'm gonna put some tomato like this. Spray it up. Alright. We got more. Just put them in there and bake them like that. Alright, we got some spring onion. I'm gonna just break it up and put it straight inside of it. Alright, it's only garlic I put on the salmon. Alright, now the beautiful thing is I have that beautiful spicy coconut root, which I want to say. I'm gonna check it out. Put some black pepper. Alright, little bit of sea salt. Beautiful. So the reason why I put those vegetables at the bottom, that means it doesn't dry out. Alright. Spray with some oil. And now what we're gonna do is get this nice lovely dry coconut, spicy coconut. We're gonna bake it on top of it just like this. Alright. You guys can do whatever you want to do with your one. So we're just gonna bake it just like this, and it's gonna be really simple and nice. Alright, it's gonna be fantastic and amazing. That's all I want to do, because I'm gonna test out the spicy coconut. I have salt, black pepper, and all these things already on it. Alright, now we're gonna just bake this for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. It won't take long, as you can see. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna simple giving you the recipe and telling you guys all the spicy coconut root taste on the fish. Alright, so tune in with Chef Ricardo. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We're just gonna be baking this now in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Stay tuned. That's the salmon. As you can see, the salmon looking really nice and amazing, with the spicy coconut root on top of it. So yeah, just give her a nice lovely color and a nice look on top. Alright, so keep tuning, and we're gonna show you how this look, how we're going to serve it up. It's supposed to looking amazing. Alright, thank you for watching the Chef Ricardo in the kitchen. Stay tuned. Nice and lovely, guys. So basically that's the salmon. I just take it up now. I'm gonna plate it up. Looking lovely and nice. I did stuff red pepper rice. Hopefully you guys will like this one. So yeah, I'm just gonna plate it up now. Alright, stay tuned. Nice one. So what we're gonna do, I have, this is some leftover barbecue sauce which I make earlier, and I wanted to simple put some on the plate. You know what I mean? Because you can't serve food, you know what I mean, cold, you know what I mean, without even sauce and all everything. You need sauce. Yeah. So yeah, there's a little bit of sauce I have left, and I decide to use it up. Nice one. Yeah, things looking good. I got the tomatoes I tell you earlier. So this is the tomato which I say I was going to be using on the bottom of the plate. As you guys can see exactly what I'm doing right here. Alright, got the red onion which I mentioned about earlier, and I said we will be using also the red onion to garnish our plate and all these things. Alright, put on gloves because it may be really hot. Alright, so this is the beautiful salmon which I've been talking about right there, with this nice lovely beautiful stuffed pepper right there. Not only that, we have also some beautiful that's the roast onion which we did earlier. If not, also we have some broccoli which we're gonna be using on the plate also. Alright guys, that is just lovely and amazing. Now Also, we have some red onion and red pepper. The spring onion can sprinkle on top of it just like this. And we still get a nice lovely flavor from it same way. Not only that, it's just amazing. So basically, let's put this down and put this like this. And as you can see, I did only use the spicy coconut root season. Alright, so what we can also do, we can simply sprinkle a little bit of the fresh coconut root all over the plate. You know what I mean, guys? It's just fantastic and amazing. Alright, that's from Chef Ricardo, and I give you another recipe. And as I say, spicy coconut root. Guys, you definitely can try that one at home. Go to the Instagram page, coconut root. You know what I mean, go on their website, but that's my ideas. You know what I mean, it's just amazing. The coconut root is just really fantastic. The flavor, the taste, the texture, mwah, it's yummy. And that's honestly, you know what I mean, and I do some stuffed rice, and it's just amazing. Thank you for tuning with Chef Ricardo. Stay tuned. I'll see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. The stuffed pepper is just leftover rice. Get a pepper, cut it into half, remove the seed, and put some beautiful rice straight down inside and bake it for roughly about 15 to 20 minutes. Alright, enjoy the recipe. I love every one of you. Please subscribe, tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. My name is Chef Ricardo. I try my best to give you some of the best recipe them in the world. Alright, I will see you next time in the kitchen with more recipe. Spicy coconut root. Big up on yourself. Straight up from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.